Here we are looking at the actual program running on my computer. This is the GP3EZ, and I've been able to do this with actually just, it's running on 14 steps. There's more than that showing there, but I got the others not enabled. So, but then it just has a loop and it cycles back around, and that's what gets it through so all three trolleys make the move, and then it runs it all the way down and shuts down. Over here we have the actual what they have, what the AWC has, that you could just print out on your printer so you can see what you've done. Like this is my 3 cycling trolleys. Over here was my actual worksheet to get all those things drawn down and figured out with my outputs up above there, and my actions and my direction of the train and its speed. Here is the manual that came with my board that I bought from them and put it on a breadboard so that I could put drivers and a relay and that on there. And then this is showing my GPS. This is that board mounted on the breadboard with the driver chips, and I've got LED lights to show the different outputs going out to it. To the left is the relay for the changing the direction, and then the driver for that.